Glenn here. I know I haven't been videoing for a while. I've been crook. I'm going for a colonoscopy today, so hopefully get that sorted. Anyway, I pulled the forge apart. I've got some new cow wool from people I deal with just close by. They've got their own refractory business. I've got 2.5 metres of 2-inch wool. I've used some on the bottom. I've redone the base of the forge with 2-inch wool, cow wool, ceramic fibre. Yes, I wore a mask. And 1600 gun castable on top. And this is the front. It's all wrecked and burnt. I'm going to cut this off. It's only thin. I'm going to go back to steel plate to get something about that thick. That's about 3mm, or I'll go 4 or 5mm for the front here. I'm hoping to put a little bit of fabric here. I just want to reduce this chamber size, or I might just put some gun cast there on the side, and then I've got this other stuff called furnace coat, which is a reflective type of thing. That there you can see sticking out are anchors for holding the wool. Then yesterday, guys, I got a new anvil, 75 kilo. My mate helped me pick it up. This is the crane he lent me. I got it for $825. So my mates and I were going to build a stand soon. So that'll be good. So just some latest on. There's the fabric I took out of the side and of the old insulation from the forge. I might try and I wouldn't mind using some soft fabric, cutting it the size a bit. I don't care if I come in a bit here. I wouldn't mind reducing. That blue stuff is rigidizer. I wouldn't mind reducing this size a bit. So that's the latest, guys. I don't know when I'll be forged again. Might be another week or two, but we'll see you then. Thanks for keeping up with me, guys. See you then.